Rob Stocklosa, Application Engineer with TPM out of Raleigh, North Carolina. Today we're going to take a look at Solidworks Electrical Project Snapshots. Now this is a tool that I get this question from time to time, and what it does is it allows us to save a project at a given period. Typically we'll do this prior to a revision or making some major change to the project. For this particular example, I have 3 conveyor systems, or 3 motors driving different conveyors, and maybe we do this project quite a bit, so we want to have access to a 3 conveyor project template, if you will, or a snapshot of this project with 3 motors in place. I'm going to use our Snapshot tool up here located under your Process tab, and we simply initiate the tool, put in some information so we can better understand exactly what this snapshot will entail, so when accessing it at a later date we'll know a brief description of what to expect. And you'll see that we also have some options on the bottom. Now what this is called that I'm doing here is called a manual snapshot. I'll point out the automated functions later in the demonstration. We'll go ahead and accept this. Typically I'm going to update the drawings and make sure things are in sync and we don't have any nomenclature or numeric values out of place. This can take a little bit because it's really going to roll up and create an archive, if you will, of this project. So I've sped this up a little bit, but it will give you an indication that that snapshot was created successfully. At this point I'm going to continue working, so we're going to add in simply copy this circuit, which will give us another motor to another conveyor. So now we're going to create an instance of this project that has 4 motors. I'll go back to my snapshot option, again putting in a brief description so at a later date we understand what this snapshot is going to give us, and we'll accept it, and of course again update your drawings and make sure things are in sync. So again, it's now gone ahead and created an archived backup with the 4th motor in place. Under my Snapshots Manager, you're going to see that any of those snapshots that we created are going to be kind of listed out here, and we could simply click them, get some background information on them. Again, these were manual because I initiated them on an on-demand type of scenario. But you can readily access these and restore these backups or these snapshots at any given time. If we want to adjust descriptions, right, we can do that as well. Over here we can set some options for when to automatically create a snapshot, such as after a given period of time or when a revision to a schema has been accepted. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.